Thinking about diving into the world of crypto and eyeing the Bifrost Wallet? One of the first questions that often pops into mind is Bifrost Wallet free? It's a crucial consideration when choosing any digital asset management tool, as hidden costs can quickly add up. So, let's cut through the noise and get straight to the answer, along with some important context. The short answer is, yes, the Bifrost Wallet application itself is generally free to download and use. You won't pay a subscription fee or an initial purchase price to get the app on your phone or computer. This is a common model for many cryptocurrency wallets, both custodial and non-custodial. They want to attract users, and a free entry point is a great way to do that. However, saying it's free doesn't tell the whole story, because while the wallet app is free, interacting with cryptocurrencies always involves transaction fees. These aren't fees charged by Bifrost Wallet, but rather by the blockchain networks themselves. Think of it like a toll road. You don't pay the car manufacturer to drive, but you do pay the road operator to use their infrastructure. When you send crypto from your Bifrost Wallet, or perform actions like staking, swapping tokens, or interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, you'll encounter what are known as gas fees or network fees. These fees compensate the validators or miners who process and secure the transactions on the blockchain. The amount of these fees can vary wildly depending on the specific blockchain you're using, network congestion at the time of your transaction, and the complexity of the operation. For example, transacting on Ethereum typically incurs higher gas fees than on networks like Flare or Songbird, which Bifrost Wallet heavily supports. Bifrost Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which is a significant advantage in terms of security and control. This means you hold the private keys to your crypto, not the wallet provider. Because of this, Bifrost Wallet doesn't have direct access to your funds, and therefore, they don't charge fees for holding your assets or for basic account maintenance. Their revenue model isn't built on charging you for the wallet itself. So, while the wallet application is free, be prepared for the inherent costs of blockchain transactions. Bifrost Wallet is designed to make these processes as transparent as possible, often displaying estimated fees before you confirm a transaction. They also focus on providing a seamless experience for managing various crypto assets and interacting with Web3, especially within the Flare and XRPL ecosystems, where they aim for zero added fees on certain operations. This refers to the wallet itself not adding extra charges on top of the network's inherent fees. In essence, Bifrost Wallet provides a free and secure gateway to the world of decentralized finance and digital assets. It's an excellent tool for those looking for a non-custodial solution with a focus on specific blockchain ecosystems. Just remember that the true cost of using cryptocurrency comes from the network, not the wallet itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.